people, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an Amazon affiliate link easily in 2023. So, well, what the first thing we have to do, we go to Google Chrome, to our browser, and we go to Amazon.com. Yes, so this is our Amazon account, my affiliate account, because that's necessary to follow this tutorial, of course. Well, and then you can choose any product you want to create an affiliate link. Well, for example, I want to use this microphone to affiliate, and we click on it, and then you have something here, and that's very nice. You have, if you have an affiliate account, you can see here your this bar, and you see here get link, and you can get an image. If you want to put it on a blog or something like that, you have the code, the HTML code, and you have a text plus image. Yes, and you can choose whatever you want, and you can customize it, and you have only the text. So if you want to make a YouTube video with just normal affiliate link, you have it already makes a short link, so you don't have the full link because it's a pretty long link. You have this short link to create your affiliate link. So that's pretty nice. So you can put all kind of products, and you can create an affiliate link for every product you want if you are an affiliate of Amazon. Yes, people, thank you for listening, and see you in the next video, and consider subscribing. Bye bye.